NPP for say ye chichi womu NPP for say e kwanya aban no ede omo nam so no mani enje ho enti peace council chere say was say calm should be restored because there's too much tension in the system. Peace council.
Yeah, I mean chana mention what here for na menka say na me catch us adibi agency wo krom ha say ye nkrofuko bi na omunni ade bi omodo mabrabo beye na nipa nti omonka so they just want to omunni ade papa bi omodo mabrabo beye na ya wona watena oman mu for emfie nwotwe na watete oman na sere na abasa eka na ye di ja oman no ebo ekrono a se bi yenhu bi da to the stand say edru ba bi na Ghana ho enya kono nchai no mbetena ye no eni ewo se ombetena se anu omo ho apologize to the people of this country no when say kroma is so easy to do NDC MPP equalization and obenye nipa mo di wachi. And that is why the kind of way peace council no mudi echira or more kind tension be na abakrum. Nothing has happened. And you know, abrabona omuni hwede omo abraboye. And omunye ready say ombe ko omunko to dwanima pagana fo acha fo amamuo bone Akufo Addo bebo e wo kroma say no. These are tactics these people have just employed just to sway the conversation away from dirty things they did. The accountability as a government, a whole do more accountable. Because for the past 1 week in here, look at the topic we are discussing. And yet, a certain climate of intimidation has been activated under John Mahama. The question is, it's a climate of intimidation will chroma and can semhuna. Yes, a Brante Mustafa why can say or never Ghana ungovernable and free speech. They are criminalizing or her and that guy should be in jail. Because statements all kind are treasonable. This is a whole republic, and he's threatening, say they will make this country ungovernable. And it's not the first time we make it this particular way.
Yeah, 2010.
So this is an unholy strategy. These people have just employed, because when it comes to policy options, there is nothing sensible to communicate. When it comes to track record, it's so dirty, there is nothing. Betimiaka enti omo ka se NDC anasa John Mahama tieto omo fa ahodie so a then you drive the conversation from policy line to some kind of sympathy arena. So all that the MPP is doing today is fiction, or your friend is saying on something fiction for that emotional support from the people of this country. But they've forgotten what they did and how things play. Nema no mo kasa ya che hwan ne hwan ni padodo se no mo ache omo a enu nti betimi akasa climate of intimidation e koso okroma saying yete hayi Ghana for bu afusa amanfo tena okroma de oman sika bon kwase akoro no okroma people expect them kasa ankrofo nyina da jail. Has John Mahama imprisoned anybody?
Not yet.
So we be catch us a climate of intimidation okroma na intimidation ne ban. In some nipa no kano, the last time betena catch us some of the issues no be and yet necessary say police for kwachi nipa no be no, because kwachi nipa no nim nyansa, but with the state resources na kwachi no highlight no amana be hero. Because for them yachiwa the flag bearer who is a shadow sponsor of this nonsense will come to your house and with you because you here Abra will be threatening the sitting president. He went to the gentleman's house and today people are motivated to be saying these things. I'll be the last person to say yes, because democracy my culture say the differences in our opinion and a lie the quality of way media otchere or minor mana. But that does not also give you the license to go about throwing your way around, making threatening comments. And for when those things, hinge on emra ewo kroma say, koyetisim now be the opa, and so mine there will be no state authority. So a certain extent, the state will move in to regulate certain things. What I say, let us not sit here and see, say, your friend saying the state has been turned into a police state and there is an indiscriminate arrest in as a form. I say it's just a mere, as these people have just decided to exaggerate the situation, blow it out of proportion, just to sway the conversation I have on. So over here in the last 2 weeks in the year, Nobody's talking about anything. We are talking about this. And Makacho say, NPP as a political party, no, I think that they do have a problem. Because we have Afenyo Markin, since he became the minority leader in parliament, you know, you could see, say, this gentleman hasn't been able to lead any sensible initiative. Emma political party na viable, say, opposition, ye line, ye konye. It has been nothing but arrogance and that kind of belligerence. Yentian kikan se munu kind of politics, and but that politics will belong to the 12th century. And yeah, Juma biem. Because as a leader there, you should be able to woo people with fine speech. You don't go about threatening people. And again, no cross sign will form to the sense that what's your position? What lose power but here? Power no one sankan yet. Then you are telling people say you're about 2028, you're about a choice again and kasa form. Again obedi ya no are wronger. What do you intend to repeat it in the next 8 years? So is it going to be a cycle? Now if it is a cycle, then you have no reason to complain today. Because you have your pound of flesh in the next 8 years, in the next 4 years, according to you. So you see, Aremeyaw, we a young person out in China, you see some of these people talking na akwese nkranke to abi na sabi omugina stage no mo egu omani masechirawo. It's so frustrating, and sometimes you understand why politics are sinking so low in this particular country, because these are the inferior minds that are leading political parties. The fans are driving conversation and making a case. Our media, everybody will follow. It's very shameful. And this same Afenyo Markin Jáil, your friend is saying, Sam George, a call ne interview. Your friend say, I'll call share committee now, omu bisa bisano as a ministerial vetting committee. No, he was very particular about Sam George in Sema Waka about the judiciary. And then on the catch will be say, Judge be a comfort. Afenyo Markin, somebody who could get the Supreme Court and panel on Friday within 6 hours, Emma ruling in his favor. Such a character today has the infantry to be going about chastising Obi. Nasabi, the omode ya Abronye na Asafo and yakra. You should not be the person to be talking about it if you have a sense of shame. This is what I'm saying, that these are jump over Ghanaians. Among riding so foolishly on a cheap boat to the source of their own distraction. They don't even know what they are doing, because these are people who have benefited from an era of judicial tyranny and kasa, judicial perjury. Why a beneficiary? Yet everybody was concerned about the climate of your friend saying judicial incompetence and now cause Okroma to the sense that every na judiciary at that time, no, may not criticize it. We were expecting them to join us so that and we can equally condemn if something goes wrong. Now, Joker, you were benefiting from that particular thing, and today now you think things are not going in your favor. No, you want the general public to come to your favor. It means that you are not a serious mind. You understand? So for me, I think that you continue to see these guys as jokers. Now we are going here. You should be worried, because these are people. These are the inferior minds leading the political conversation in this particular country. And unfortunately, you know, but we don't sit down to ask the critical. It was unnecessary. You know, you don't arrest Obi because I can't say doom. So when indeed light you doom koba, you may disagree, you may agree with him. That is because you allow people. But there are other instances. For instance, Abronye de ya wakotno catcher judge said judge akwaje bride. Judge NDC ni judge yes no. You are one person was single out. And I would attempt na would no hinge on the sacred authority I am judge, you know, and then authority no the man ruling. It is the judicial authority man to prosecute a man for. So you are impugning that particular authority. No, it is not the judge, rather it is the authority of the state. Me security. I won't say anything, but it's not everybody who allows some of these things to go. You understand? So it is not as if nothing has happened. And Sanka, these people, if they are smart and very intelligent, the first thing they should have done was to condemn those reckless, irresponsible, foolish comments from their people. But Mpanimfona are rather making extremely foolish comments. Afenyo Markin someone Abronye crowd and this person calls himself a leader of a political party. You ask yourself, so what is the future of this particular political party? If the leader can be talking foolishly more than nipa na or say yakshena. Then it tells you that the political party has a problem. Because one lose political power now but in China. Yeah, Makacho said the first thing you do is to connect with the people. Sabaya sympathy game where or more people will easily, because unless you build a bridge you cannot connect to the people. As it stands now, who can't Ghana for say who from Ghana for they are pretending everything is okay and this about yes you but Ghana for you fear near my course we catch us and Akufo Addo no what is some na an interview na all can so open nipa mo di nipa bone a na no Kevin Taylor ne Kufuor back and forth here cause I chanced on a video where President Kufuor catchere amamfo say or deny Rollins because na adan we emperor I will be Rollins catchere Rollins so disappointed. Rollins catchere say we are incompetent our abontinti. That was the reason why you deny him. That was very childish. That very childish. You don't make such comments because politics now you're better being criticized.
And at that time he saw nothing wrong with it.
No. Enti na boy Abronye na o ye an interview bora re no bisa no. Say enti wunya chance o say there be na wo kwa abonte na kodidi matama baba ka na to oman ne enya ahemfia akondwa wo. Na waka say state dia media da me be no your former vice president, he was entitled to those things but he was denied because Rollins achira na dwen jokers. Today you have the infantry to come around telling people say free speech they are criminalized here. It started from this era. Akufo Addo then NC wo kroma saying me catch say what is wrong yesterday and you wrong today. But those of us who criticize yesterday have equally the moral power to criticize it today. But you, the beneficiary who saw nothing wrong with it, today you are not condemning. You turn around and say, "you're condemning as a politician." Yeah. You see, you can entice your own foot soldiers as thrive on emotions, but no single nyansani when you are activating this conversation. Because in politics, a comparative analysis is something you cannot throw away. So people will begin to ask you, say, more personally than I and Chinipa, when you kidnap a man for. The last time Abronye making Mami or your airport to you kidnap or move Akufo Addo pencil because Abronye ko social media ko try there for president Akufo Addo ire ho e wo Twitter. Ya ko kidnap no. Nipa Ameswale Yankuno Kroma say. Ameswale was killed. These jokers, Afenyo Markin, where was he? Did he ever condemn people from his own political party and the threatening the catcher man for so una bono yekuno? Where was Afenyo Markin? And today these jokers are going around telling people what? And I'm catcher say, you see, some of these things, you can convince inferior minds and emotional minds. They will buy this particular package of nonsense they are selling, but no sensible person will fall for this. Abronye yo kasa boom ase ya wona pane or na dwem ya say friend na bio sa hwan TV so threatening say or no and I make say security e okroma na kasa nye serious. Can these people making these reckless comments here should be behind bars? Me say these are not men, no. These are cowards. Spineless coward. They sit on TV, make unnecessary noise. What see that they so yare? Abronye ti radio say na no yes so yare. These are cowards. They can't even face their own consequences. Obi abet na papa ya your friends NPP former chairman your mo iso okubu obi dan yangui. Ya che na de che ya so yare. Na yare mai den. These are na ne be la na ne ho to no. Kofi Jima ya che na de che so yare. These are cowards who cannot even face their own shadows. And these people are going around throwing their weight around. Where were they when these things were happening? Me amete hey, I condemn these things under Akufo Addo, and today if things are going wrong, I can condemn. But the point is that you saw nothing wrong, and politics, integrity, consistency is very key. That was why the last time I was on Dr. Bawumia, you saw nothing wrong with the nonsense happening under you when you were the deputy president of this country. Journalist Gyamfi free kroma. Journalist we are now say the party just capture plane take it man and ajo e manu dwane nya sa yebekuno. And today these jokers are around saying what? Abronye wan attract no. Baba Amando wan attract no. a man for life were on the line. Anas, Akufo Addo general debate as a catch and say, oh, I shall adopt the Anas principle. Anas was rendered useless under Akufo Addo because otchere. Anas was bastardized, he was humiliated, he was insulted, his personality nankasa was indicted, he was subjected to unholy criticism, accusations, and whole lot of. Yes, that kobo Kwabena pa Kennedy Agyapong, ya kobo ne pa say on destroy Anas because waka corruption asem. These jokers have their own country to go around saying what? And I make us a media nankasa nye serious. And they will give oxygen or publicity to some of the. John Mahama will be the last person you can accuse him. Say or chairman for like or curtail free speech.
Free speech.
Does it look like somebody who curtail free speech? Open the year abusing Kroma in the history of this country. Go back to 2016. There no man find no Kroma saying. What I say. Akufo Addo na betre Ghana for say because social media na otchere na dwan it me channel. Electronic Transaction Act na mo kana be na free buy. I don't say for them. Emra no enti me dia ne say ye kasa ye ya ye nyina ye hu say we are on the same page.
Yeah.
They are wrong and no wrong and when people were complaining about the judiciary, Oliver quiet demonstration. Yet she not in the courtroom deny or mobile. Your friends are rough, then you find your rough. Wow, your friends say Captain Smart and as for then I find no more chroma saying. And then that climate of intimidation. Yeah. Did any of these jokers ever issue or condemn any of these things? And like I said, Mr. Media nankasa ye jokers because a media ni serious. You give them this catalog. Captain Smart radio so TV so you know ni ababa channel. Kwabena Bawumia anajo or ye ni program omokofa no ye hwe kra ye hu ye boa ma bene o se hwan ye jelino. I remember there was a time when a chairman called Central Police Station. Your friend said they were at Abracano. Now them. You're jelino. So it was wrong that day. If Obuko tried on Facebook said Doom so has returned a cheddar, it is wrong today. But the question is who and who can criticize?
Yeah.
Can you?
Exactly.
You can't because you have lost that moral audacity to be going out. But these are shameless bunch of individuals who have no sense of shame. And they think it's that is what I'm saying. It's a strategy. When I went to but you see, some may Asante me or so not may intimate kind of inclusive politics and you will still find some people who belong to that school, but majority of young people coming up no school no or more who say inclusive school to what they are following policies and options. So if your political strategy is designed for emotional supporters now, you will fail because today people want us to activate reasonable conversation. Track record consistency is very key. Now, you say he who comes into equity must come with clean hands. You understand? You are able to make a case. I'm a pencil when they see we condemn this. They and we young channel and the nejo Mahamaba now or yes and we condemn. So when there will be a young person not in channel politics, I didn't know this double standard, this hypocrisy, this is what they are learning. It's very shameful. And Christian councils, I know what Simo Muye de no. Almost Sama and Kweku Annan and as for attention to Kroma. I met Swali, Ejina, Madina, and a bone to a kuno, not tension ma Kroma. Abrana Manasseh. Yet a man for air funded in a general free criminal attention, my journalists no move. You see, I don't make a say. You see, we have gotten to a point people we used to respect in the past thinking so these are reasonable men of conviction, you know. We need to be baby and I was got me answer na me babon tin be kan asem no. Me checking who said my back is against the wall. There is no window. Window means that obi anya adibi mfa me kwame say we na ye. Na ya ujina achire ujina wachi. There is an open space. Na who can obi there. Nobody will take you serious. And I make us a damn message now strategy no more is targeted about this targeted the same easy minds follow mono who will not subject and the politics na home. Let's say NDC core supporters can never win NDC power.
Yeah.
The same way MPP core supporters
can. Yeah, that one there. I think they should know by now.
And we a serious political party here. Your strategy, your design, everything should target the middle people.
Yeah.
But and some who know tete politics way when you the UOB and I will make the Ghana Mustafa way so almost make Ghana such a coward. It's because I'll be making Ghana ungovernable. Wait. Now security, I'm so disappointed in them because these are jokers you should be picking. Because he's threatening the republic, say he will make, and this is not the first time they are saying this. Yeah. They will make the country ungovernable. These are inflammatory, dangerous, threatening statements that must not be coming from such character, and they must be arrested. And so we yes, what create climate of intimidation. And I actually book kakani said they command international communities. And shall set it your mpreko. And I'm say omuti omoye na say John Mahama is a gentle person. Nanka ekwaye ye mu binuma. Togo. I'm telling you, Kebima Togo. Because winning the pair, yeah, no choice of bonnie when it tima. Yeah. Now watch and say, oh, bonnie, a new Timo. And with them. Muja and Namu na bonnet. Enti or the bar or the bishao. Sure. It's as simple as that. Because politics are a nice guy, and I'm no. Oko stadium. Yeah. Now say a stampede, the cinema for Gyamfi free. Stay your fence saying like May 9 then see no. Ota forma obi who be pejao. Be a fa. Ombeteti asoku. But the very moment ubetimi apeja hoja wuntumi na ntekwa de gina wachini be piao amoko anim. Yeah. And I just say in the world nobody will show you mercy until you begin to show yourself mercy. What say yes media majaja me hono monya. Omuno that is their political strength. What their mo say no. Ombetena nchen they will act as saboteurs, and that's what they do best. Now, Kwame Nkrumah Niabra all fighting for independence. Now, Kwabrane they pen the paper, letter, Kwakoma, or him and so, Kwame Nkrumah Fino, Memfamano. Today, the descendants of these jokers can gather momentum and celebrate Ghana's independence. And they said their forefathers even fought for the democracy. Jokers. You know what Salama Mustafa said? Jokers. Omo petition no come diplomats no. And no cast ourselves. Yes. Yes, and Kwan Joa and Osinibia Sabidi. When I was watching Kufuor's interview, no cancer assembly. Now I'm saying you should even thank Rawlings. Because Rawlings could have decided not to hand over. Yes. Rawlings at the time could have decided, say, oh, hand go be now other people, so they didn't hand over. And I said he could have manipulated the election to win. But this gentleman saw the need to say, may transition your mind. And then the gains na ya make here democracy and am for kwatena radio see is because of this Rawlings. And Kufuor will tell you say wakwa abontia koka say or you incompetent inti. How many times na Bawumia na yere? There was a time Samira called Mahama, she used the word useless. Useless, incompetent. Yes. Obi or no fool obi say or you incompetent. Yeah. Or you useless. But who said President Mahama ever had a case with her? No. But President Kufuor said Rawlings are quite incompetent in tea. The characters are constitutionally or deserve or deny and he has no regret about that. He's okay. And today you have the audacity going around telling people, say, climate of intimidation. Do you understand the word intimidation? So, yeah, say that Mr. Bass na MPP Bass na Koshiase. And instead of some befa, a call mechanic shop. Na ya fix a car no. And who fear Tachana no. Or my dream say customers need me answer to bet him the same car no. I'm a farm for. And that's exactly what they are doing. Nothing new has come. Ideas near the same old wretched 12th century. Your friends are inspired. You have a primitive thinking. Nana or modern yantiam tete playbook na emotions. Yankasa. Now look at people leading the party today. This is a party. Now you're branding as intellectuals. And you're phoning you. You're and station boys are taking over. And station boys, kasa boom 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 boom. Omo kasa out in China we machine bi say the MPP na nu nie. Because panimfo no betenase adwena ma party ni nyina no ya pa mu nyina kwakosi nchen. And can never want to be between Yakuko because a party like MPP or no want to be a national. So the state your party now
Bawumia's candidates.
Exactly.
Because the last time I went to me a corner was incoming.
Yes. So everybody want damn people around them to be able to control. And I catch say intelligent a mind that is not intelligent can never attract intelligent minds. A mind any intelligent can never attract intelligent minds. Well, in China, they will feel threatened. Yeah. So your fans say inferior minds will always center around them low your fans say inferior minds so that so that you don't feel threatened, you feel comfortable, you play your game. And that is the game the MPP is playing today. So near my deserve say you condemn never condemn it. Sure. But I am not sure say anybody on his right senses can wake up today and say Mahama has activated a climate of intimidation. You can speak to some of these issues. Yeah, Abronye court na judge kase. Your friend is saying, on concord them copim so medina sema we are. These are issues we cannot disagree. Na say no crowd there, Afenyo Markin maybe or parliament. Or sit court no ya chiro momo ya lawyers. Exactly. Ya chiro ma dey say court you agree and side with what the court has said. If you think that you don't agree, you file, go to court. Exactly, there are processes. Made that particular ruling, I disagree. Because who do be a sabawun to make cancer on Kodama simple. You file, you challenge it. My culture say, sa contempt of court, my judge ya tabu go na see Yesuba asase we no bedin sem huna nipa kana dwen no how much more a judge what I say who din sem huna nipa be kana dwen kire wo that boy okwan ya faso ayeye you don't go about throwing your weight around in asefo no but in the time na ye bubinum cry kasa atia this contempt of way no where were they they were happy because I benefit you more and today you cannot speak against it what I say yeah politics you know 2 kilobytes for no doors on the door. Grown men walking with baby's brain. Doors on the door. How much the system now? Oh, these are grown men in fancy suits operating on children's brain. And politics. What's in China? Now wakoma because we sounds of mine and Dutch and the same. And unfortunately, the young people coming. This is the politics they are learning. They are learning. Yes. I don't know if you've seen that video. I mean, Ghana Police Service on so many. You know, we catch on so. Where be say me? You should not. You should not go and arrest these people. No, these people they don't need the attention. Me say I dare shit me what my life. You know me who say Abronye. I say Black Maria man a camera dinner chi. And Kenya, you are using state resources to hype fools. I didn't know the graphic anymore. As if say, so the security should also be. There are ways you can handle some of these things. You understand? Now you're the Kwabrani, I didn't see Black Maria. Now I want for dinner. The camera. Oh, how can you do that? You cannot use state machinery to be promoting idiots. State machinery, I'm finding the papa. I think we must be advised. Now your security so. There are a lot of things that are wrong, especially with the police, the way they operate in as a forum. I think the IGP will have to also find a way to deal with some of the situation. Why didn't you know? Massa say come near say what come near Kojo be around about near Cho. You don't even go and arrest Obi Abra to be identified. You don't go and arrest Obi. Now you're not quite you know what kind of grassism. Typical grassism. You cannot arrest Obi. Now you nebusian for us Obi and baby now more than none. Somebody be no Sammy I think we've passed there. Yes. So the security agencies must learn. You cannot go and arrest Obi Abra to be identified or na say what if the person is not a police? So our strategy no more want to kidnap us Abrantie no bongo ideas be seen there or obi anim de kokoche no We cannot do that. The security agencies must sit upright. And America say recruitment and so forth. They need to do things well because a massa say come.
Yeah.
Now Obana the drip so once a massa say come not there ya. Drip so but the wako. No discretion. No discretion. Say oh me call and so massa say come you for come.
Okay, mommy. Francis Ajigiwa, Mr. Francis Udino. I say, I was a Mijai, no Bonami Francis, no epe. I'll say it is agenda within the follower contestant in the NDC and Bawumia Cape because Ato is popular than I think now responded to Polado Mochi Adeno Yen Pedro, why? I was live from Kumasi Tano so and LCO Kran was a well done Ivan Shawal Nuhu Ali was a well done Ivan and Michael Akoshu was a good morning Ahinkai within a court Anas Eden KOT Ahinkai okay also wose o hweye papa o comments no do so ama me hu emudi amenkan emfa emma enti amenkan last one now the buy no say NPP shameful party now and Bala boys. All right. Okay. Innocent yanko we so ne clear no feel we are public accounts committee issues PAP mu aba na enra Dr. Bawumia so ehia minority na o say the omo last line of defense for Ghanaians. Na say niema ekoso okroma nyina no minority MPs no NPP MPs no omo ye enkofo mu twato a e was omo defending Ghana for.
Yeah. And American politics, it's a fine art. You need to understand how it is done.
Yeah.
And all Kasa, that is also key part of it. Yes, minority can be also
last line of defense.
Yeah, now Ubisa parliament no more no crown and faso almost there. The minority in parliament today and faso almost because Abrabo born in Kushibra. The fence about Bawumia ne Akufo Addo man beboy enti even 2/3 of parliament kwa no yeah your fence NDC today were commanding your fence numbers of parliament. There is no decision they cannot take because mukra 2/3
yeah
making the your fence minority no a useless entity in parliament. Any bill be able to be even in their absence they can form a quorum and make a decision. That's why we started first. I told you, sir, once they don't have the number, I cannot activate any intellectual discourse or influence anything in parliament. They are going to adopt aggression. They are going to adopt this kind of intimidatory, noise-making kind of strategy. Because in parliament, they cannot affect or influence anything going on. Because the NDC, if they decide to do anything, they have the numbers to do. And that's exactly what is happening. NPP be a minority in parliament, they have rather defamed the fortunes of the party even more than say a promote to the party. Mention a singleton cause for parliament led by any of the guys abakasa enuntino omo project party to intellectual minds. Makata say they no check and they for their own followers. But you need to target the middle intelligent people. And these minds cannot attract them. The Afenyo Markin Jáil. So no need respect for a judge. Na judge na nsuamra na sabi. Oh siamra. We need to get serious in this country. You understand? Challenging the intellectual credibility of Obi as a judge. What is your intellectual credibility as a member of parliament? Because no judge no so trans a fans judge na bon or no so trans no hu a parliament na moto no chesamo de mabon ko konfaso bia ni ebirum so na moto tete ho apart from ensem hunu ne press conference hunu sa binyansa bia nim do you think you are better than judge na so wabon no in your parliamentary duties attempted the any sense when the judge can do better. What I say? So I think that they need to regroup. No maintenance design. Me say they need to hire a consultancy firm Oh yes, no she near my mom. Because again still no. Omu say ye fikasium politics ni bi na ye. But sa fikasium politics ni ya atwam unim fikasium politics. Okokuma sa abrosan ntenten na ye the other fro no ewo afie ni yam no. Asorofo na nti wuda so no agina so akase obi ate. So obi osno to convince obi na omu nyina koto aba. And na sa politics na atwam. Sa fikasium politics no atwam. You must be able to lead a discourse reasonable, a discourse convincing, a discourse a tonipa akomaso. And many people say, oh, Bawumia neba policy order bani when order ba. Na kwaya chika deda. Mahama is focused delivering on his mandate.
Yeah.
The last time ever tana Kumasi Accra Express Road is under construction, and Ghana ha mention a single road. Your friends say audience so more in the past akwayo kasa ho yes friend your friends say road minister ba conference say kasa ho so oya kwan do say no oya okroma say do say but today turn around and see the construction going on your budget na dey ehun sika hu ba bi fa see aya kwan there is no road. Kwabrane koye track at the back room and say yes school down and I say over follow back na plot na asase na agenda ho. And today these same people who haven't changed, executives of the same government, that was terrifying, that was very reckless, very dangerous. Today turning around about apostles of what? Democracy. Did they understand democracy at the time when people were being threatened, when Ghanaians were being chased? Na Bawumia samre not to China and also not to Cambodia. And he didn't see. Ono ankasa na yere. To me fear be a unya ye. According to Papa na odi Kennedy Agyapong achi no. On find oti boati o samai.
Wakobubu ni
dan to gu according to the man. Me fear be a when you're the baby no who the kobu obi dying to go ye nipa that's a near wunyansa who say so even if we disagree sikana papa idea see a dime mako almost 10 80 let us even come into a consensus kwabranenya to me for soldier for kobu obi dying to go ye and today you are running around saying what and I make us a mono Bawumia de under was somebody pole. Because on one kasa aton and watch Ghana for how incompetent he is and he has ever been. And then the shadows of Akufo Addo's terrible, bad, corrupt, oriented government, will continue to haunt him forever. And when if Mahama stay focused, he's able to build a minor said today look at the economic template. Me say you may not like him as a person, you may not like him as a president, you may not like his government, but the reality is that the template looks good. And
policy rate to cry everything.
Now say rating agencies no more rating and more rating abayano NDC headquarters no more adwuma. The policy your friends say the rating agencies they are operating from NDC headquarters. They are rating Ghana based on the economic figures. And the church say something significant is happening, which is a sharp departure from the Neman and Aye no. A man for court demonstration, the Oliver at Doóm for how long? Okoni a denying the bay, Okoni a denying the bay. Emma Amrantia Samba ye demonstration. Emma demonstration ya bue binim tutu e binim kura ni okroma say. And today these people, and I make us say the amoye no, emotional side of the media who hype this nonsense for them. But for the intellectuals who make reasonable, conscious political choices going to 2028, we'll see the NPP as a political party that has not shifted course, that has not deviated from it. Your friend is saying destructive tendencies. The NPP has always been a destructive tool. Whenever in power and in opposition, they don't build. Because you see, very often a man for make it so easy and this in NPP a painting. A lot of the conversation you are too good. But what's I say? Now we hear objective, deep analysis. You come to the realization there are areas you can say and this in NPP a pet. But when it comes to development, a man for that's a vast difference. There is a vast difference between the NDC and the NPP when it comes to development. They build private businesses, take make money, build their own life, and they go away. There are people working in this government almost one year, even salary GB.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people working almost 1 year near salary but they are still working. Because I just say the agenda is to build the nation. It is not just to steal. Yes, you will find people, but say Abronye angels in Kwanya. So definitely you find exactly. But on average, you know, the NDC is more committed to the developmental cause of this country more than the other side of it. Your Mahamadu Bawumia, the idea of Akufo Addo also or build the express road from Kumasi to Accra.
Yeah.
Nanka ope baby build this road, Nanka Kumasi nanka build no. But that is the major road. I wa Kraibu Bia, he's doing it. The universities across. Look at Legon Hospital. Kwabrane, adwini ni kwabrane timintino. Otimi ya budget say obesi 111 mi hu bida. Adwia emu etia say mi hu bida. Na America buying kura betimi ada so say mi see 100 hospitals. At a go. Na sabi anya nkura adwini ne wo tima. Obetimi ada so say mi see 100 hospitals. What bi wo hefa? Hospital ba kokura no mutimi wie ye. Ne ye ja na wo ho. And there is a difference. You see, I just hope that the president will be successful. Because my country said the last leg Ghana democracy, so I this Mahamadu administration, a failure, Ghana was slipped to perdition, and we might not return. Abronye no kwaji Boakye Agyarko fast, no. What is Semuna and Sanka? I say democracy, they should forget. Which means or not personal discussion for my Doóm or the Bayer. You can't complain. And now then I say who is or develop a crew. Exactly. So you have no say. Say. And you know wafa. But in a country it's not supposed to be like that. You cannot rule a country at the behest of your what you think. It should be a broader consensus based kind of way the teacher of mine. But wafa today he's telling people say forget about democracy. So at the end he's going to make the decision for you whether good or bad. You live under it. Fortunately, we have an open system. We should cherish it. So that is why I'm saying that your last leg in here. See, I really need a slip here. And one no countries no more who nation, you know, and there will be a cool. And then there are sponsors who so I think that we need to navigate and ignore this destructive element because Adibi a Friday testimonials. Oko school, oko bobra papa and on the bound. Bawumia and Akufo Addo NPP testimonials in the year testimonial 2024 elections. I think that they should just shut up, begin to rewrite their own narrative, present themselves as a viable option. Maybe reasonable people in Ghana will get convinced and will see to them. But say we no mokwaya there. Because this is not politics. Okay. No. This is not politics.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.